My name is Mark Silah. I am a tax partner at NKSFB. I've been with the firm for 20 years. NKSFB is a CPA business management firm. In fact, we're the largest business management firm in the country. Our clients are some of the most successful entertainers, musicians, athletes in the world. For our business management clients, we are their family office, so we are doing everything for them. The next question is, what is a family office? The simplest definition of a family office is a family consolidating resources in a family business and then deploying it in a manner to meet family objectives. And those objectives can be estate planning objectives, business and investment objectives, and charitable objectives. Family offices start with an event. Something happens. They take a company public, they sell a business. Somebody passes away and there's an inheritance, there's a divorce. Something happens to where there is a significant liquidating event. The family then creates a mission statement. It is all about the mission statement. The mission statement is so critical at this point because everything the family office does after this is going to be driven by the mission statement. The mission statement is, what does the family office want to be remembered for? What do they want their legacy to be? What kind of impact do they want to have on future generations and the world? And really this family office is managing these aspects of the family's life. Their businesses are going to be one of the biggest aspects. They'll also have a lot of other passive type of trader businesses, like they may own an interest in a auto dealership or a restaurant or an airplane leasing company or a vineyard. Another important aspect of the family office, what their purpose is generational wealth transfer. And that usually comes through in this section over here with trust. This is where the family office will determine who gets what, when. This is where a lot of the multi-generational wealth transfer planning comes in. The final area is charity. I've seen various kinds of charitable entities that family offices are involved in. At the simplest, they basically form a family foundation where they put money in and give to other public charities. When you look at this whole package, this is really what a family office manages. When the IRS audits these kind of entities, they have a special group, I believe it's known as the Wealth Squad. They are opening up 8 to 10 returns. They want to see all the estate planning documents, all the gift tax returns, all the foundation returns, and they want to understand all of the transactions that are involved. And having gone through one of these audits for a very large family office that the individual return is 5,000 pages long, having gone through one of these things and very successfully was one of the most rewarding experiences I've ever had, because you were involved in the planning of this return, you were involved in the compliance of this return, you were involved in the structuring of all the transactions of this return, and to then go through a detailed audit of this magnitude, it's an incredible feeling. When we have a client that needs to buy an aircraft or a luxury item, or is in the midst of constructing a $50 million house in Beverly Hills, all of which are real life situations, we can bring in our business management team. It really is an advantage when dealing with this level of clientele. It seems as though change is happening throughout our society at a breathtaking pace. We are also living through unprecedented times of wealth transfer. As the baby boomers continue to transfer wealth to the millennials are set to not only be the largest generation that America has produced, but also the wealthiest. I read a statistic. Approximately 60% of the family offices that are in existence today came into existence after 2005. All of this change and all of this wealth transfer has created an incredible need for wealthy family groups to have wise seasoned, trusted counsel. This is who we are at NKSFB. This is what we have been doing over the past 40 years, and this is what we will continue to do into the future.